Hi, I'm Christy with WTI. You know what makes me absolutely crazy when we travel? My husband digging through the suitcase to find what he needs and messing up all my neatly folded and organized clothes. Well, EASYFUN just made traveling so organized. These are a 6-pack of packing cubes, and it's a total game changer when it comes to traveling. I really like these because they were 2 different colors. So when I packed these up with our things, I got the pink ones and my husband got the gray ones. So immediately we knew whose clothes were in which bag. And then it's up to you how you want to organize it. So I did all my pajamas, socks, underwear in one, pants in another, tops in another. But it really helps to know exactly which cube you need to go to find what you need. And then it also really made packing up easier. So we traveled to multiple different hotels. And this was so helpful because instead of having to pack and repack, everything stayed in the cubes. So it was easy to toss them in a dresser and then pull them out and throw them in our suitcase when we were ready to go. So if you want to make traveling more organized and easy, these packing cubes are absolutely a must. And that's my point of view.